All right, everybody, check it. It's tax season here, right? In the United States of America. I don't know if you know that, but somehow we are clear some big check when it comes to tax season time, right? Some people are clear all some 10 grand check and 15 grand check. That's over $1 million Jamaican dollars in a one go, right? WBJ taxes. That's how me I send you. Right now I'm at work. I don't have the number. It's in my other video. But WBJtaxes.com. WBJtaxes.com. Go up online and check them out. This video anyways, man, this video is about some people are saying, oh boy, you owe Jamaica an apology because the video that you put up talking about the little girl with the big man, something in her mouth, that video wasn't in Jamaica. So it shows how much you hate Jamaica or want Jamaica to look bad and all these other things. If me do want Jamaica look bad, I would carry myself bad. You hear? I'm an upstanding citizen, right? I am a shining example of Jamaicans, or what Jamaicans are or can be. You understand? Now, my duty when that video came to me, I am SouFLoTV. People send me a lot of stuff on WhatsApp and other social media entities. When that video came to me, it was my duty to do exactly what I did, which was one, quickly make sure that as many people as I could get to stop circulating that video did exactly that. And two, make sure that they were in full awareness of the laws that govern child pornography on the internet and the distribution or ownership of, if you're caught with that shit on your device, which is exactly what I did. My goal was to make sure that 50-something thousand people furnished the proper authorities with a copy of this video as it was sent to them. I told y'all in the video, those are the three things that were my main priority, and I accomplished those in the video. Did y'all know that people actually have time to come on my channel and talk about me I try and make Jamaica look bad, got issue an apology? I shouldn't issue an apology. Instead of you coming on and saying, yo, SouFlo, big up yourself, man. Thank you. Thank you for enlightening us, because to be honest, a lot of people did. Thank you for enlightening us. Thank you for making me know so I shouldn't send it forward to nobody else. Thank you for letting me know me clean it off on my phone same time. And thank you for UN Brains for giving us the information to send it to the proper authorities. Doesn't matter if it was Trinidad, Antigua, Guyana, Barbuda. When that video was sent to me, that video was sent to me with a caption that said, look pon the boy, where am I do? That boy your head need forget. Boss, can't believe so them something that happened at Jamaica, dog. That's what the video was sent to me saying. I did not watch the video. As soon as I opened the video, bam, Brains was sitting right next to me in the truck. We were actually driving, right? And I opened the video, and as soon as I opened it, I turned it right to her. I said, babe, look here. Look on this fucker that people are sending me. Clicked off of it, and that was it. Me and her debated for the longest. The first one came to us, I erased it. Boom. My phone just started going off. Pling, 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 pling. I said, nah, man. Every time I checked it, it was that video again. I said, damn, babe, we have to watch this video so we can be sure about what we're about to talk about. Me and her went home, fixed dinner, get something to eat. We keep looking at each other. Both of us made up our minds that we just could not stomach watching the friggin' video. But we can be of help, proper help, by actually doing the research, because a lot of people that tune into these channels on social media, they're so lazy they don't even take the time to say, okay, this video is inappropriate. Let me see who else I could forward this to that is proper authority, right? And let me see how many people I can send a message to that says, hey, take this off your phone. Hey, don't pass this around anymore. You're involving yourself in the distribution of child pornography. Hey, they don't do that. So me and Brains did that for you. We gave you the proper information right there. Now what happened was, the people in Jamaica right? There are law enforcement throughout the Caribbean islands. They connect with each other. They're all intertwined. So they were quickly able to establish that the video comes from somewhere else, right? Up to this point, I am still not sure, but I am glad that the proper authorities are handling it, and I am glad that, because people are still sending me, hey, SouFLo, look on him face. I'm sure you've seen it by now. The face of one guy will look beat up with the black eye. And then there's an earlier post that said, this man slept with another man's wife, and this is why his face looks like that. So I'm thinking, are they just grabbing pictures from somewhere else? And I say, yeah, this is the guy. Because remember, the guy face, as far as I heard, was not shown in the video. We still haven't watched the video yet, and don't want to watch the video, right? Some of you out there are living fucking perverts, because had the nerve. Last night, I sent a very derogatory message to one individual. Here's the message that come to my phone. Yo, boss, what? It's me, whoever the hell his name is. It's me, John, or something like that. The video, I just watched a video on your channel where you and Brains talk about the little girl with the man something in her mouth. I haven't watched the video yet to know, and I would really like to watch the video. Can you send it to me, please? Now, for somebody like that, me send them up under and way down in a you know what and where, because how could you, after you watched that video and heard what we said in it, you are come link me on WhatsApp if ask me if I send you the video. Me not have the video, me not want to keep the video. That's my goal. So for the people who are saying I owe Jamaica an apology, I owe nobody an apology. You understand? And let me close this video up by saying this. I hope that instead of you worrying about me apologizing to Jamaica, I hope you realize stuff like that is happening in Jamaica right now. And if you think me saying this makes Jamaica look bad, go talk to some of them girl here. Go talk to some of them grown women here that can tell you what was done to them while they were growing up. So you know that this is not new. It's been happening a long time now, right? Go talk to some of the female members of your family and you will find out. Them sitting here happen a long time, right? Go talk to some of them little girl here and you will find out. Pay attention to some of the man them in your family and you will find out. So them something here happen a long time. So what you should do is use this as an example to be more vigilant. To know what to look out for. You heard me? To be more careful. Go and read the icon on the video. The icon says, some of you gyal. Some of you women need to start leaving your children around these boyfriends that you barely know and just met. Some of y'all single mothers need to stop being so quick to bring new man into the house and around your children. Some of y'all need to stop leaving your children with family members just because they're family or just because it's free. Those are the messages I want to pass on. I don't care about apologizing to no Jamaica because I said. The video sounded like it came from Jamaica by the caption on it, right? And I run a platform that is mostly Jamaican. It caters to the Jamaican demographic. Some people hate that because they must say, yo dog, every day I get up and talk about Jamaica. Me a blood clot Jamaican, one want me get up and talk about. Eh? You want me get up and talk about foreign? So you can call me foreign man and sell out like y'all do already anyways. Huh? Get your shit together. It's SouFLoTV, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave your comment in the comment section below. And some of you people out there are still passing the video around or still keeping the video, but you must know why you're doing that. You hear me? I tell you, if you mean yourself no good, take the advice I gave you in this video and the advice me and Brains gave you in the last video. Now, back to progress and productivity. To my people them overseas here who are filing their taxes this year, look up wbjtaxes.com. All right, I will have some more commercials and other videos for them about them, but right now just click on wbj.com, taxes.com, and you will have proper help from IRS certified proper people that can help you get your money back properly. I'm out. Peace.